Hello, today we're going to talk about polymers in food and nutritional supplements by Kavok. Do you want to grow stronger, be more athletic? Or maybe you want to improve your brain function and think better, think smarter. Or maybe you just want to lead a better and healthier life to make yourself happier. And this is where nutritional supplements come into play. Where they can be taken in pill form, tablet form, capsule form, or even in liquids. These supplements are especially important for people who have certain medical conditions that makes them nutrition deficient and require supplementation to lead a healthy and better life. So these supplements, they can be minerals, proteins, fatty acids, vitamins, and many more. So what are these made of, these vitamins, protein powder, collagen, that help everyone lead a healthier, better life no matter what their circumstances are? And just as the title said, polymers. So the applications of polymers in supplementation could be as a coating, as a main ingredient, or as a container, like a bottle. So for polymer coatings, one of the examples we use is shellac, which is a natural polymer that permits the transit through the stomach to the small intestine before the supplementation is released. Another cool property that shellac has is that it masks the taste of many supplements. Another polymer we use is polyethylene glycol, and it helps certain supplements to dissolve in the body. On the other hand, we have polyvinyl alcohol, that is also water soluble. A common thing between all these three polymers is that they are biocompatible and they will break down in the body, and it's very safe for us to ingest. Now, most polymer coatings are supposed to shield the micronutrient that's inside, but they usually fall apart in boiling water, get affected by UV light, or break down in other conditions. That's why scientists are coming up with a new polymer called BMC that can stand up to heat, ultraviolet light, and can even be cooked for 2 hours in boiling water. And the beautiful thing about it is the particles are ready to dissolve in low pH, such as in your stomach, which has stomach acid. As polymer main ingredients go so far, we have proteins. And proteins are polymers with their monomers being amino acids. And those amino acids together make a protein. Another main ingredient that we have is maltodextrin. And these are short polymer chains consisting of 2 to 20 D-glucose monomers. Since they're short, they can be also an oligomer and not just a big polymer because they range from 2 to 10. And this can be used to store energy and is many times used in energy drinks. And last but not least, we have collagen. It is a main component in the connective tissue in our bodies like tendons, ligaments, skin, and muscle. Collagen has many important functions, including in providing us with our skin with structure and strengthening our bones. One of the two polymers that are used as containers is high density polyethylene and low density polyethylene. And they are both made from ethylene, but they differ in the number of side chains they have and branchings they have. And this is why they have different densities. Another polymer that is used is PET, and another one is polypropylene. The difference between these four depends on the manufacturer and how they want their supplements to be stored. Whether they want it to be opaque or they want it to be visible. Whether they want this to be more rigid or they want the container to be more flexible. And these will change slightly in their flexibility, in their opaqueness. And so next time you go to grocery shopping, go check the supplement and you'll see all the polymers that are involved in it, which is whether it's the coating, you can see in the ingredients, or the main ingredient, or even the bottles that come in it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today.
Created using Powtoon.